ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడైతే ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్ ఆడిషన్స్కి వెళ్తున్నాం. రండి చూద్దాం.
200 meters.
ఇప్పుడే ఇండియా కిడ్స్ ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్ వచ్చాం. రండి చూద్దాం.
Amazing. Okay, all the little stars are decked up. Oh my God. Super, very good. Okay, let's start with a small warm up now. Okay, before we start actual event, I just show my hand, so you have to clap. You know this rule of game, yeah? Those are lovely scooties from Ampere Nexus. They are our official partners. Thank you so much for making this happen. From Greaves Electric Mobility and an amazing app for your lovely kids. We have amazing app that is known as Activate.
Dangerous, no I don't back down. Leave your heart laying on the ground. Tell me who to kill. Dangerous.
Can you dance or sing?
Dance.
Let's dance.
Show me your talent and claps got it, yeah. They will clap now, okay? Dance at now.